The science of making a red velvet cake. First, we're going to start with the liquids of 1.5 of oil. And then we're going to start with 1 cup of buttermilk, which is the acid. And then we're going to add the liquid of the flavor. We're going to add the flavor. We're adding the liquids, all liquids first. We're using 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, extract. And then we're going to use some vinegar, another acid. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, another acid. And then we're going to use 1 ounce of red velvet color, food coloring. This is going to give us the red when it combined with the acid, the liquid of the buttermilk, the vinegar, and the red food coloring, which is 1 ounce. Maybe be 2 tablespoons make 1 ounce. And then we're going to add the white eggs. We're going to crack 2 eggs into the liquid. We're going to go ahead and add all the dry ingredients. We have 2.5 cups of flour. You notice that we added the liquid on the bottom. We're going to put the flour on top. And then we're going to add the sugar, 1.5 cups of sugar. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is to help to give it that extra cocoa. The baking soda with the vinegar and the buttermilk is going to give us the coloring and the leaven that we need for the cake to rise. You see how the liquid is turning red? And this recipe can make from 28 to 30 cupcakes, or it can make a 3-layer as right here. Now while the liquids and the dry ingredients are missing, we're going to spray the pans so it will not stick. And also we're going to preheat the oven to 350. We're preheating the oven to 350. So now we're getting the pans greased. And then we're going to preheat the oven to 350. And then the liquids, you see that pretty red coloring. Okay, the batter is getting about finished now. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. And we're going to divide it into 1/3 into each of the pans to make a 3-layer cake. Notice how red the batter is from the ingredients that was added. It was just 1 ounce of food coloring or 2 tablespoons. So we pour the liquid into the pans. We cut off and do 1/3 of each 9-inch circle pans. Okay, while the cake is baking, we're gonna make a cream cheese icing. We're gonna use 1 block of cream cheese, 1 stick of real butter, salted butter. We're gonna use 1 pound of powdered sugar, confetti sugar, and then we're gonna go back to that famous vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna make the icing while the cake is baking. We're first gonna beat up the butter and the cream cheese. So now we got the stick of butter added, then we're gonna smoothing out the cream cheese and the butter together. So now we're going to add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, essence flavoring, extract flavoring of vanilla. So we're going to let it give the flavor that we need. This is the icing we're going to put on top of the cake. Alright, so now we're complete with the cooking. You see how the baking soda helped the cake to rise with the flour and the vinegar. This will give you a pretty 3-layer red velvet cake. We bake it for 17 minutes. 17 minutes. And this will give you the pretty red velvet cake that people would love. So now you have the cake made. You have the icing. And then once you get that and icing the cake, you can top it off with some pecan halves. Just sprinkle some on top and we'll get you, and you can have this lovely red velvet cake. Again, once you get that, you have the lovely red velvet cake. This cake batter makes 28 cupcakes or 3-layer red velvet cake. Thank you.